guys, welcome to our channel News Meto. Please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the daily updates of our channel. Today's news headlines are: revamped action plan for Delhi to fight COVID. Key meeting. Shah, Kejriwal, LG decide to tighten contaminant, expand contact tracing. The centre and the Delhi government agreed on Sunday to revamp the action plan to control the spread of the coronavirus disease in the national capital, laying emphasis on the need for more effective containment and tracing effort, widening the scope of detecting infections and intensifying social distancing and surveillance at the level to tackle the outbreak at time when the case count has risen to 59,746. Rajnath meet chief says keep strict wiggle along LAC. As tensions simmer along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, where aggressive military posturing by Indian and Chinese forces has garnered global attention, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday made a detailed assessment of the ground situation at the disputed border, where 20 Indian and score of Chinese soldiers were killed in a skirmish in Galwan Valley. Two senior officers familiar with the development said on Sunday Singh held an hour-long meeting with Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and the three service chiefs at his residence. He was briefed about the preparation of the military and its readiness to respond to any provocative action by the Chinese forces, one of the officers said on condition of anonymity. Add 3,000 new infection as city COVID total near 60k. Delhi had 3,000 new cases of coronavirus disease on Sunday, taking the total infection in the city 59,746. The government in its daily health bulletin on Sunday also added 63 deaths to city toll. So far, 2,175 people in the city have succumbed to the infection disease. Target elderly city couple 88-year-old murdered. New Delhi, an 88-year-old woman was stabbed to death at her house in South Delhi Safdarjung enclave on Sunday evening during a robbery attempted by a security guard she had hired about a fortnight ago. The woman's husband, 94-year, a retired officer from the Ministry of External Affairs, was also attacked by the guard and his two associates, who made away with valuable and cash from the house. By Sunday afternoon, a police team arrested the trio and fourth associate from Gauripantha in Uttar Pradesh near the Indo-Nepal border while they were on their way to Nepal. About 55,000 in cash, jewelry and the knife used to commit the crime have been recovered, Delhi police said in statement on Sunday. The four accused have been identified as Rajesh, 19, Gayandar, 23, Om Singh, 18 and Pramod Pragya, 26, all hiring from Nepal. On key metro stretches higher than before lockdown. With Delhi metro services shut since March 22 in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a significant rise in traffic volume, particularly on stretches where the metro was the preferred mode of transportation after lockdown restrictions were eased.